For years, DJI has dominated the world of drones and gimbal systems, earning a reputation as an innovator capable of reshaping entire industries. Now, whispers of a DJI mirrorless camera have sent shockwaves through the photography community. Is DJI truly preparing to enter the full-frame mirrorless market? Or are these rumors simply another overhyped story in the ever-evolving world of camera speculation? The idea is tantalizing. A DJI mirrorless camera would not only mark a bold expansion into a competitive segment, but could potentially redefine what creators expect from a hybrid imaging device. The company's deep experience in stabilization, compact design, and aerial imaging provides a foundation that could give it a unique edge. But the critical question remains: will this rumored camera directly challenge giants like Canon, Sony, and Nikon, or will it instead carve out a completely new niche aimed at hybrid creators, filmmakers, and content producers seeking something different? The story of DJI's potential mirrorless camera doesn't emerge from nowhere. It traces back to 2017 when DJI acquired a controlling stake in Hasselblad, one of the most respected names in medium-format photography. This partnership gave DJI access to Hasselblad's legendary optical engineering and color science expertise, and its influence has already been seen across DJI products. For example, the Mavic 3 Pro integrates a Hasselblad-engineered Micro Four Thirds sensor, while the Inspire 3 drone features a 44.7-megapixel full-frame imaging system. These developments demonstrate DJI's ability to incorporate high-end camera technology into compact, versatile platforms, blending performance with portability in ways traditional camera makers have struggled to match. Interest in a DJI mirrorless camera accelerated when the company briefly responded to a fan query on Twitter about a mysterious new product. Though the reply was quickly deleted, it set the rumor mill spinning. Since then, blogs, YouTubers, and industry insiders have speculated that DJI might be working on a mirrorless camera that combines Hasselblad's optical and color expertise with DJI's stabilization technology and engineering prowess. Naturally, skepticism remains. After all, Hasselblad already produces niche yet highly respected mirrorless medium-format cameras. Would DJI risk cannibalizing its own investment by launching a full-frame mirrorless system under its own brand? If so, what unique gap in the market would it aim to fill? These questions are central to understanding why the possibility of a DJI mirrorless camera has captured so much attention. While DJI has remained tight-lipped, leaked information and industry chatter paint an ambitious picture. The rumored DJI mirrorless camera is expected to feature a full-frame sensor, likely supplied by Sony but fine-tuned using Hasselblad's renowned color science. Resolution could range between 45 and 50 megapixels, placing the camera in direct competition with Sony's A7RV and Nikon's Z8. Such a sensor would appeal to photographers seeking high-detail imaging while enabling creative cropping without compromising image quality. Perhaps even more intriguing is the expectation that DJI's expertise in stabilization will be a core feature. Industry sources hint at a hybrid stabilization system combining in-body image stabilization IBIS with advanced 4D stabilization technologies similar to that used in DJI's Ronin 4D cinema systems. If implemented, this would position the DJI mirrorless camera as a leading tool for handheld filmmakers and hybrid shooters, capable of delivering cinematic quality motion capture in a compact, user-friendly package. Video capabilities are also expected to be a highlight. DJI has consistently focused on cinema-oriented features across products like the Osmo Pocket 3 and Ronin 4D, and insiders suggest the mirrorless camera could support 4K at 120 FPS as a baseline, with potential for 6K or even 8K recording modes. The inclusion of LiDAR-assisted autofocus, a technology already demonstrated in DJI's cinema line, could offer pinpoint focus control that surpasses traditional phase or contrast detection systems, giving creators more confidence during dynamic shooting scenarios. Connectivity and software integration may represent another advantage for DJI. The company is known for seamless app ecosystems that complement its drone and gimbal products, enabling features like wireless file transfer, cloud storage, and remote device control. If DJI can translate this experience to a mirrorless camera, it may offer a level of convenience and workflow integration that many professionals currently struggle to find in Canon or Sony systems. Such connectivity could appeal to creators who prioritize speed, portability, and a streamlined content pipeline. Even if DJI delivers all of the rumored features, questions remain about how a DJI mirrorless camera would compete against established brands. Sony, Canon, and Nikon dominate the full-frame mirrorless segment with decades of brand loyalty, robust ecosystems, and mature lens libraries. To gain traction, DJI would need to offer either a disruptive feature set or an attractive price point, or ideally both. One potential advantage is lens compatibility. DJI joined the L-mount alliance in 2022, opening the possibility for a mirrorless camera that supports Leica, Panasonic, and Sigma lens from day one. This could lower a major adoption barrier, allowing photographers to experiment with a new system without immediately investing in an entirely new lens lineup. Still, DJI faces hurdles similar to those Sony encountered years ago when it acquired Konica Minolta's camera division. Professional photographers tend to be cautious, and convincing them to adopt a new brand takes time, especially when established systems offer reliability and extensive support networks. Additionally, leveraging Hasselblad's expertise could create pricing challenges. Hasselblad cameras are traditionally premium priced, and if DJI mirrors this pricing, it could limit the market to high-end enthusiasts and professionals rather than appealing to a broader audience. Rather than directly challenging Sony or Canon, the DJI mirrorless camera may aim to create a new segment altogether, one that blends cinematic video features, AI-driven computational photography, and user-friendly operation. By focusing on hybrid creators, influencers, and filmmakers who want professional quality output without steep technical hurdles, DJI could introduce a product that complements, rather than competes with, existing camera ecosystems. Speculation suggests the DJI mirrorless camera could debut by late 2025, aligning with DJI's pattern of releasing major new product categories in multi-year cycles. Pricing remains a key uncertainty. Early rumors point to a body-only price around $2,700, placing the camera in the same league as Sony's A7 IV or Canon's EOS R6 Mark II. At that level, DJI could appeal to creators seeking high-performance stabilization, cinematic video capabilities, and Hasselblad-inspired imaging without the extreme price tag of a medium-format system. In summary, the potential arrival of a DJI mirrorless camera is both exciting and enigmatic. With Hasselblad color science, Sony's sensor technology, DJI's stabilization expertise, and app-driven connectivity, the camera could redefine expectations for what a professional hybrid tool can deliver. It may not aim to dominate the existing mirrorless market directly, but instead target a growing segment of creators who prioritize simplicity, portability, and versatility. Whether DJI actually launches this camera in 2025 remains uncertain. Entering the full-frame mirrorless market is notoriously challenging, and history is filled with companies that tried and failed. But if DJI succeeds, it could carve out a unique niche that bridges photography and filmmaking in ways previously unexplored. For filmmakers, influencers, and independent content creators, the DJI mirrorless camera represents a tantalizing promise: professional-grade imaging, revolutionary stabilization, and hybrid workflow convenience in a single, compact package. 2025 could be the year DJI takes that leap, or we may have to wait a little longer. Either way, the anticipation is real, and the possibilities are immense.